Imagine this. You walk into a store, and the newest phone is glowing at you like it's the key to a better life. Ads whisper that if you just buy this shiny gadget, you'll feel cooler, richer, more important. But here's the twist. Your 2-year-old phone can still text, call, take pictures, and run every app you need. So why are so many people broke chasing upgrades? Because wealth isn't about what you flash, it's about what you keep. And that's exactly why the world's richest people often live like the poor. Warren Buffett still drives an old car and lives in the same modest house he bought decades ago. Elon Musk sold off most of his mansions to live in a tiny prefab home near his company. Are they stingy? Or do they know a secret that most people ignore? Here's the truth. If you keep spending on the wrong things, it doesn't matter if you make $10,000 a month or $1 million. You'll always feel broke. But if you cut out just 6 dangerous habits, you'll be shocked at how fast your money starts working for you. The first trap? Brand new electronics. Every extra dollar you drop on the next big thing is a dollar you could have invested. Rich people only upgrade when it adds true productivity, not because a commercial told them to.
The second, oversized homes. You've been sold the lie that bigger means success, but massive mortgages, endless taxes, and empty rooms suck your wallet dry. The wealthy know a house is shelter, not a trophy. Imagine funneling that extra money into investments instead of cleaning square footage you never use. Third, expensive clothes just for status. You see celebrities dripping in logos and think that's what success looks like. But real millionaires? They wear simple, comfortable outfits. They're not out to impress strangers. They're out to build empires. Stop paying hundreds for a t-shirt just to look rich. Use that cash to actually get rich. Fourth, new cars fresh off the lot. The second those wheels hit the road, the value plummets. Rich people let someone else take the depreciation hit. They buy used, reliable, and redirect the savings into assets that grow. If you can't buy a new car in cash without blinking, you simply shouldn't buy it. Fifth, impulsive entertainment splurges. That concert ticket, last-minute getaway, or weekly bar tab feels small until you add it all up. Suddenly, your fun nights are eating your future. The wealthy still have fun, but they plan it. They set budgets, they look for deals, and they make sure pleasure doesn't destroy progress.
And finally, the 6th and deadliest habit, get-rich-quick seminars. Smooth talkers will sell you the dream of fast money, but guess who's really getting rich? Them, not you. Real wealth takes consistent action, real skills, and patience. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Invest in real knowledge, not snake oil promises. Now here's the bigger picture. Cutting these 6 things isn't about depriving yourself, it's about freeing yourself. Every dollar you don't waste becomes a soldier fighting for your future. The rich aren't chasing instant gratification. They're building a fortress of freedom brick by brick. Yes, people might laugh when you refuse to buy the newest phone. They might tease you about your old car. But when you're the one sitting on savings, investments, and opportunities they can't even dream of, who's really winning? So ask yourself, would you rather keep impressing strangers today or own the life of your dreams tomorrow?